Hello everyone, this is Rahul. You must have seen this type of reel where you are able to attach a reel and also you are able to click on the profile. Here you can see on the profile. So how to make this kind of reel I will show you in my mobile screen. To make such videos we need this application, that is Edits. This is from Instagram. Open this application and click on plus. Either you can select from gallery that video or you can record it. I'm selecting from gallery. I will select this. I will click on add. So here you can select the place where you want to add a reel, then click on links. So here you can select either account or a reels. First I will go with reels and go to my reels, or you can go from the saved reels. So I am going with my, so I will select this reel. So I will place this here wherever I want, or wherever you want you can place it, and you can keep the duration. So basically this will be a clickable one. You can keep it a small duration. Whenever someone will click on this reel will get open. So now again I will click on this video and now I will click backside and click on links. Now I will select the account. So for example I will select this account here. It's done. So you can select the duration till where you want, and the video is ready. You can select the quality of the video and export it. So once it is exported, you can post it directly in your Instagram from this application itself, and you can select the caption you want and you can publish the reel. So here you can see we have the option as Instagram. This will open and you can post this. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.